Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am at Burlington today in the jewelry section. I'm bringing it to you on your screen, some nice pieces of jewelry that Burlington has. This one is a bag charm from Guess, from the brand Guess, and the price is pretty reasonable, $10, $9.99. Who can beat that? Right at Burlington. Now I went also to the sunglasses section. They didn't have much of a selection. This one is for someone who's having fun, etc., for young kids. So yeah, let's browse at Burlington. I love jewelry, that's why I kept going back. This piece was pretty nice. They have some great pieces of jewelry, earrings, necklaces, rings, and whatever have you. So keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, if you're on the market, you have a young girl, goddaughter, younger sister, this is your vibe. This should be your vibe for them. Their vibe, I should say. Not for me, but for a young kid. Not for grown-ups, but for a young kid, like my daughter's aged 11 or 12 years old. This is the vibe that I was giving me. Also, in addition, slides. Summer is around the corner. It's time for our toes to breathe. Let's get our pedicure, and now let's get us some slides. At Burlington, they had a wide variety, great price point. Don't sleep on them. Don't sleep on Burlington. They had all different kind, and I got myself a pair. Right, I got myself a pair. So, for instance, this one was beautiful. I like the pearl detailing, sparkly stuff like that. Very neutral. Will go with anything that you have this summer. Cream, white, whichever color have you, because it is a neutral color. Yeah, enjoy the video and let me know where you guys intend on buying your shoes this summer. Thank you for watching, and excuse my voice, I'm coming down with a cold. Those right there, those pink shoes I got for my daughter because she's running out of shoes. Her feet are growing like crazy. I can't believe she's in a size 7, grown up adult 7, size 7. So I no longer have to go to the kids section. So I got that for her. Now here I am, like you guys know, I am decorating my living room space. Slowly, you know, home decoration is not something that you do. It's not something that you do too fast or you jump into and then regret. I like to take my time and shop around and see what's out there and see if the items that I see in the store can fit in, you know, in my vision, the vision that I have for my home. So here I am at Burlington looking around and see, you know, what I can get and what I can envision so to decorate my home. Enjoy the video. I thank you that you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Now I feel like that painting I've seen all over YouTube, in all those influencers' living room, so I wasn't quite sure about it. So here I am in the it's a small section, room spray section. They are very nice, very the price point is very reasonable, you know, Burlington. So if you're in the market to get you some room spray to make your home feel and smell beautiful, Burlington is your store. And also decoration, wall decoration, they had all type of painting. I like that one, the champagne bottle, cheers. And also specifically this one that says hope. Here I am trying to focus on the description for you so you guys can see. I like that. I really like that. Great message. So thank you guys for watching. Enough rambling of me. I'm just gonna let you enjoy and listen to the beautiful music, beautiful selection, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.